What if your creative blocks are not a lack of talent, but a lack of fuel? Most people think creativity begins in the mind, but every idea and moment of focus relies on the physical health of your brain and body. The quality of your nutrition influences your energy, concentration, mood, and ability to sustain deep work. Today, we are exploring nutrient-dense superfoods and simple recipes to support mental clarity and stable energy. Let us discover how better nourishment can help create the conditions for better ideas. Creative work requires energy, not just inspiration. Whether you are writing, designing, composing, or solving problems, your brain is constantly consuming resources. When nutrition is inconsistent, creativity often becomes inconsistent too. Energy crashes, brain fog, and difficulty focusing can all interfere with creative momentum. The goal is not a magical food that creates inspiration, but to give your brain the nutrients it needs to perform at its best. Let us start with ingredients that can easily fit into a daily wellness routine. Think of these as foundational foods: microgreens, sprouts, leafy greens, colorful fruits, nuts, and seeds. These foods are packed with vitamins, minerals, fiber, and beneficial plant compounds. One simple strategy is to begin the day with a nutrient-rich tonic. Blend cold filtered water, a handful of microgreens, a squeeze of lemon, and optional chlorophyll drops or adaptogenic mushroom blend. Then drink first thing in the morning. This is not about instant productivity, but about starting the day with hydration and nutrient density before symptoms. Hydration alone significantly impacts focus and cognitive performance. Many people underestimate the importance of hydration because the brain depends on fluid balance to function efficiently. Even mild dehydration contributes to fatigue and difficulty in concentrating. Consider natural electrolyte sources like coconut water, citrus, and a pinch of mineral-rich sea salt. Supporting hydration throughout the day helps maintain energy and performance. Raw cacao is a popular creative food because it contains magnesium, a compound that supports alertness and enjoyment. It transforms healthy snacks into something genuinely satisfying, which helps sustain creative momentum. Blend almonds, walnuts, raw cacao, dates, hemp hearts, and a pinch of cinnamon, then roll into bite-sized balls and refrigerate. These bites provide healthy fats, fiber, and a rich chocolate flavor without processed sugars, making them ideal for a creative session. There is a reason experts say eat the rainbow because different colors often represent different plant compounds. A colorful plate often provides a broader spectrum of nutritional support which supports varied creative needs. Matcha offers a smoother, more gradual energy compared to rapid caffeine spikes and crashes. Try a matcha flow latte with warm oat milk, cinnamon, and a touch of honey as a ritual to support focused work sessions. Turmeric combined with ginger creates a golden warming blend that can support recovery after a mentally demanding day. A calming evening golden blend can become a recovery ritual because creative output also requires rest. The most productive creatives create systems rather than relying on motivation alone. Nutrition can be part of that system through hydration, balanced meals, and consistent habits.